The consultation of a patient, a simple case versus a complex case, in my office is always the same. It is that simple case that bites you. A patient thinks that, oh, it's just a small little thing, I don't need much, you can just come in and patch it. No. In my office, we always go through the complete consultation process. You need to come in, it's going to take me an hour to do, we need to sit down, plan everything, we need to make sure that we've got photographs, need to make sure that you understand the whole process, and that we can go through every step of the procedure with you to achieve a result. Now, the patients with a more complex case, it's not the case that is complex. It is the diagnosis of the case that is complex. Because most of the things that seem the simplest in dentistry has got the most complex diagnosis. So if we can diagnose you correctly, all cases become simple. It is just a matter of making sure that what we plan is the correct plan for that procedure. And often in my office, we use multiple of our practitioners to come to that decision. We've got people that are strong in every part of dentistry, and we often sit together and we decide, listen, this is a little bit more complex, and it's not the treatment that's complex, it's a diagnosis. So once we've made the diagnosis, the treatment is simple.
Your dentist, your choice.